DIY IT Lesson 1, The Opportunity Cost Trap. Here's the problem with DIY IT management that most business owners never realize. You're actually paying premium rates for amateur service. Let me break this down. If your time as a business owner is worth $100 an hour and you spend just 5 hours a month troubleshooting computer problems, you're spending $500 monthly on IT management. But here's the kicker. You're getting amateur level results without any prevention, security, or professional expertise. Professional managed IT services often cost less than $500 a month and deliver exponentially better protection and reliability. But the real cost isn't just the money, it's the opportunity cost. Every hour you spend fighting with computers is an hour not spent on sales calls, serving customers, or developing your business. You're taking your most valuable resource, your expertise and leadership, and wasting it on technology problems. Think about it. You wouldn't try to perform surgery on yourself just to save money on a doctor. You wouldn't represent yourself in court to avoid lawyer fees. So, why are you managing your business critical IT infrastructure without professional expertise? DIY IT management pulls you away from the revenue generating activities where your skills create the most value. You're essentially paying premium rates for inexperienced technology management while neglecting the very business activities that drive growth and profitability. The math is simple. Your time managing IT costs more than professional management while delivering inferior results and preventing you from focusing on what actually grows your business.